This model kit review is of the 1934 Slammer, and this is from MPC. It's 1/25th scale model, and some pictures of the finished model kit there, and we've got some of the details. Kind of a fun looking little car, and those are some of the other ones that they make in the series. Those are the parts, and this is issued by Round 2. So let's have a look and see what we have inside. So first of all, let's start off here with the body. So this looks like a classic 1934 body. This is a hot rod version. It's an older kit, so we've got some mold lines and flashing, but most of that's pretty minor. We will need to fill these holes here. These are from the ejector pins. Okay, next set of sprues. So here we've got our chassis, and probably part of our roll cage there. And then we've got a little tank here, probably a fire extinguisher, our pedal box, and then our stick shift there. I guess that was the floor pan. This is the actual chassis here, with engine mounts, some suspension parts. The rear axle will go here. Over here we've got our actual rear axle there. Probably more parts for our roll cage there. There's a radiator with suspension, and there's our leaf spring, that's for the rear. Over here we've got tires. These are, well, they're actually kind of soft, so I'm not sure if they're rubber or vinyl. Got some nice tread on them there. Okay, so these last few sprues here, we've got this looks like our firewall there. There's our hood, the air intake, more parts for the firewall, and probably part of our exhaust or frame. Some engine parts there. Here we've got the actual engine and transmission. Some exhaust headers there. Camshaft covers, or it's an oil pan there, battery. Got a fan and belts and seats. And over here we've got our wheels and steering wheel. So let's have a look at we've got some decals here, and then we'll look at our instructions. This looks like some very nice decals there, beautifully printed. So our instructions here, looks like we start off with the wheels and then the engine. Put the engine parts together. We start to mount the suspension and axle on the chassis there. And then we've got our radiator and engine mount, rear suspension parts going on there. And we've got our firewall, starting to build the interior. This is all the frame here. Then we've got our roll cage and the rest of the interior parts going on, pedal box and so on. Okay, that's a rear bumper, that's what that is. We've got engine headers and roll cage going in, and then finally the rest of the parts, the body parts going on there, as well as the decals. So all in all, that's going to be a fun little model kit to build.